Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Weekly Wellness. I'm your host Kenny, and today we're in the kitchen because we're going to get into the more important aspect of living a healthy lifestyle, and that's proper nutrition. Nutrition takes up about 70% of the importance of living a healthy lifestyle. So we're going to be here talking about some different macronutrients, how you can track your calories, and I'm going to cook us through a meal so that way you can see one of my favorite meals to have when I'm trying to lose weight. Let's get into some proper cooking apparel. Awesome, let's cook. First off, we'll get into the different type of diets available for us. Firstly, we'll talk about weight gain. So with the different type of foods that we can have, there is a long list of choices to make. Some of the foods I recommend and I personally choose are things such as egg, beefs, beans, yogurts, different types of nuts and seeds, whole milks, different types of fruits, oats, and other forms of breads such as bagels. So aside from a bulking diet, we do have our weight loss choice. With this, some of the foods we'll be having are quite similar to a bulking diet, but we'll want to be more picky with the different choices we make. Rather than purchasing a full yogurt, let's look for a plain, fat-free version of that. When purchasing eggs, we could purchase an egg white, or even something like a low-fat cottage cheese would even be good to have on the side dish. Next, we can move into macronutrients, which would consist of protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Proteins are large molecules that comprise of one or more long chains of amino acid residues. They have many roles in our bodies, such as helping to build and repair tissues, which in turn will lead to increased muscle mass and strength. Carbs are essentially sugar molecules. Our body breaks carbs down into glucose, which is the main source of energy for our body's cells, tissues, and organs. Fats are also another fuel source for our body and a major storage form of energy. There's several forms of fats including saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated. Here, I'm using an app called MyFitnessPal. I can easily input the food I'm eating throughout the day so that way I can see the calories and the 3 main macronutrients that I'm eating throughout the day, which would consist of protein, fats, and carbohydrates. As you can see here, I'm in the kitchen cooking up a mixture of turkey burger, rice, and vegetables. For the turkey burger, I diced up some tomatoes and onions and included those along when cooking them for some added flavor. I steamed some rice, and I also steamed some vegetables on the side so that way I can get a full balanced diet including all of those proteins, fats, and carbs. This meal is a great one if you're looking to lose some weight, as the turkey burger is a lean meat. Now that's pretty good. So for this episode, we talked about macronutrients, the different types of them, how to count calories, eating for weight loss, eating for bulking, and different types of ingredients that you can incorporate into your grocery list so that way you can have a healthier diet. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Weekly Wellness. Have a nice day.